Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to write formula in formula column for Zoho Analytics data table or report. Let's see. First I am going to show you my formula. This January column is a formula column and I'm going to show you little part of this formula first because you can't understand this big formula. If you understand the little formula, then you can make a big formula like this. So I'm going to show you first for one thing, like for amount on milestone. I'll edit this formula column. Okay, so there is a many conditions and this is a big data table in Zoho Analytics. So you can use all of your columns and you can use functions with them. So I'm using if condition, and with this if condition I will add billing cycle for billing cycle because I'm going to create this formula field for billing cycle, and for billing cycle milestone, so I'll use it. If by billing cycle in milestone there is a two conditions, true and false. If billing cycle is milestone, then it's if it's true, because if billing cycle is milestone and it's true, then it will show the result on, or is false, then it will show the result 0. So it's a basic, and I'm going to add more conditions like this using and you can use functions from here. All the functions is available here and you can search at the functions you need. And another things that on the functions, hover on functions and you can see how to use it on hover on the idea icon. You can see how to use the functions. So I am going to use year functions here. My condition, like my if billing cycle is milestones and year of start date, milestones start date equal year of milestone end date. If my condition is now, if billing cycle is milestone and start date and end date year is same, then it will return the true value. I have to use true value first, then in first comma, then second comma I have to use the false value. So if I am using a column for the true value, milestone amount on milestones, I have calculated the amount for the milestone, so I am going to show you for this condition is true. If it's true, then it show the amount on milestone, or if false, then it will show the 0. So you can understand that if billing cycle is milestone and year of start date equal to year of end date is same, then it will show the amount on milestone, or it's false, then it will show the 0. So I have added with milestones, I have divided milestones with months between, and for true condition, and for false conditions I have added the amount on milestone, because in false condition I am not dividing the amount on milestone. Here is the months between is another column I have calculated. You can easily get the months between of any years, any 2 years or same years of months. Months between is a function I have calculated in another column, but I am going to show you the months between how I have calculated this months between. Take the months between function and uh, take any of your date column. I have added start date and end date. I have calculated months between in between start date and end date. This is how I calculated the months between in months between column. This is the function. You can use it. And for true condition, amount on milestone is dividing with months between, and false condition is will show the amount on milestones result, full result. So this is my formula. Okay, I'm saving the formula. This is saved, and I'm going to show you the formula column. Let's first filter the billing cycle for only for milestone, that you can understand the result. Billing cycle milestones, I'm filtering the column only for milestones. So now we can see only the billing cycle for milestones result. And in my formula field, here is the milestone result. It's calculated correctly, but there is some missing value here. Some rows have no data. I have to see why. Here is the data billed per month column. There is no data. That's why it's not calculated. So this is the correct formula I have used, and it's a correct result. Okay, then you can understand the formula for the milestones, and then if you understand this, then you can understand the my big formula column. I'm going to show you this year for January. Actually, I have calculated for all of billing cycles, means yearly, milestones, order entry, monthly, for all the billing cycle. That is a big, but the condition is same I have used.